I can't wait to see what illusion you've come up with for us.
Hey, what is up, guys? You know, from time to time I like to leave some dancehall history here on the channel, and this one is entitled Mavado, How We Started in Music. So I'll leave this with you, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
My grandmother the first somebody give me a mic and sing. A church me I sing from. Then I wear my eyeglass, big glass and bass. So me I say, my granny first give me a mic and say sing. Yeah, and I just sing and I stay so bad, man, I just grew and get for love it. And my granny I bring me to church a week then. You know what I say? And even my old lady see me, my father a Rasta. So you don't know. But we go to church and we are sing and we are grow and we are grow and we are grow. And we just love the thing, and in my local community and we start keep some long time thing, battery rider and them sitting there. Barber bash and Lana bash and them all the thing. You know what I say? And we just there when the gangster them, and we are looking youth a group, but we have a local friend them, we have a crew. The elder them are bigger elder so. But you don't know, we just there and we friend them just love the thing and all just say, yo, you're bad enough. And we need a name and rare. I have a birthday one name Polyphamous. You see me? A Rasta youth. Entertainer too. But just in the barber shop I sing one day. And the man they say, you know, so I Singing Blacks for name. And friend him say my name Singing Blacks. The name I just stick on for me for a couple of years. Well, you see me? I just I sing, but we never used to go on the studio like we serious. You know what I say? Like we really want to put the thing out there. You see me? But as we grew and we started the thing serious now and serious now. And people as a Singing Blacks, and I start the studio with Hitman and them youth, the Ragga B, you know me, I say Spatcho B and all of them youth. You see me? Butch Bantan, when I look at you, Butch Bantan, I come DJ in my community. You know me, I say? Butch Bantan just come here, come DJ. And then Butch Bantan, nobody even know who they are Butch. Cassava. I tell about in the 90s. You see me, I say? The early 90s. You see me? So with them amongst them man that one we get for love the thing and we see them man they just come bust, but we are youth. And we say, yo, how you do it? And Ray and man mash up the place. So we say, boy, yo, we're gonna just go and grow and go and do the thing. Till me stay so bam now and people I say, yo, you need a name, you know. Because the Singing Blacks thing and too much man name singing this and singing that and black this and black that. So yo, now I have to have something unique. You see what I say? But just there and I say, yo, one day, me and my friend Flex apart. So Flex have a book that I want to watch tonight named Mavado. And I say, no, so I love that name. Here me I got name. I got name Mavado. Enough people think I'm Mavado. But I really Mavado. So I say, even me myself, say Mavado enough time to me get caught up. The M-A-V-A, yo, Mavado. That's what I say. So, just like the name I want to, we just say, alright, we're going to work with that name. There are Sharonberg place amongst them. And you don't know, we just there are going to hold it. Bounty Killer, I'm going to hold a vibes to do it at daytime. And rate it as you. You know what I say? And I say, yo, you can go and do it. You know? I do like 3 years ago. Because you know, a real Mackay, I really the song I make. Enough people know me. You know me I say? Because a song, even real Mackay, it's a song one my voice around 2 years now. You see it, I just voice it. And foot of them have it I play it all about and Raz and Big them. Raz and Big them first I play it uptown. Then I mix it with Cartel. Big man, boy is a boy. You see me? And the people them like, because I got some part of them time and see John. You see people see so I say, what's that song is bad? Until foot of just link with that sake of them and them play the anger management rhythm for years. And I say, yo, I love that rhythm style, that rhythm body. And I just say, there ain't no real. And it's like, it just lack on it. And I say, yeah, you know, so that song I go voice. And I just go so bam. One day I'm there, me and Buccaneer see me there in the studio. And Futa call me and say, yo, come voice the song for the youth, real Mackay. As I say, around 2 years now. And I just go voice it. Because I believe I Cartel first voice, then me voice. And then whole heap of man start voice after. And then the general himself will take it over. So have to go assist the damage, man. You see what I say? So you don't know. So right now we just there. I go and hold it as I say. Up on my corner, I'm there, Cuban corner, cassava piece square, you know what I say? I'm never leave, I tell them that long time. So I say, yeah man, the whole of Gangsta them, the whole of youth them, right that's all. See that? You can't see it on the wall, you know? Put the eye on Mavado in our place, you know? See me, and this is the Cuban square.